Yeah, hello everyone. Thanks for joining this session. In this session, we are going to discuss about what are the different absence plans available in Oracle HCM Cloud applications. This is one of the important interview question. Okay, so total we are having six absence plans. So it is better to remember in alphabetical order. So number one, accrual plan, agreement plan, compensatory plan, donation plan, no entitlement plan, and qualification plan. Okay, we will see one by one. So accrual plan, it's mainly used to track employees paid leaves. Okay, monthly employees will get some accrual leaves depend upon how many hours they have worked or how many days they worked, like vacation leaves or sick leaves. For example, every month employees will get 1.5 sick leaves and two vacation leaves depend upon how companies are giving. Okay, next one, agreement plan. So agreement plan is mainly determined by the contract between employee and employer. It determines how many leaves particular employee want, particularly while joining the company. It's not for everybody. Sometimes for particular employees the agreement will be done between employee and employer. So compensatory plan. So compensatory plan mainly helps us to track compensatory time earned for extra hours. So employee receive time off for the extra hours which he worked over the weekends or any festivals, something like that. Okay, he or she can take extra leave without applying that one. Means he can apply, but he can take a compensate. He can take the compensatory for which we have worked on the weekend or any other festival. Donation plan. So this particular plan mainly helps employee to donate any other employees who doesn't have leaves and if they are in emergency. Okay, and then no entitlement plan. So mainly this particular plan is introduced recently by Oracle. Mainly it will track unpaid absences if particular employee took more number of leaves, and we have to track those unpaid leaves. So this particular no entitled plan would be helpful. Okay, and then qualification plan. So this particular qualification plan, this will be earned by meeting a specific eligibility criteria. Let us take if a particular employee has promoted to manager. So now he is qualified for more number of leaves as per company's plan. This is called as a qualification plan. Or if a particular person or if a particular employee met with an accident, so he or she can take a particular plan as per the company rules, norms, and regulations. So there should be some eligibility criteria to apply for this qualification plan. Something like maternity, paternity, or illness, injury, or anything. Okay, all these things covers under qualification plan. So total, there are six absence plans available in Oracle HCM Cloud applications, and this is one of the important interview question. Thank you. Thanks for watching the session. If you need any other assistance, please call to this